Hello world. Today this is Timothy 7800 reporting from Minecraft. As you can see, we are in the desert right now. We are near the base though, thank God. That could have gone worse. Today we are gonna go explore to the villages. By the way, we've looted so much. I even have already looted desert temples, but I don't care. Let's do this, I guess. As you can see here, our first desert temple shall be shining on the horizon, gleefully before us. It's really shining on the horizon, see? As you may see, far in the distance, there's the island floating patch that no traveler has dared to be exploring. See this desert? We have raided this thing before. As you can see, there's a stairway. But we've also raided the sand room. But don't worry, we have more desert temples to be heard. See? First, there's a village that we've already raided. There's a desert temple right there. And if you look really far in the distance, there's really a desert temple over there, see? Follow me, the desert is drawing near. So here's what we will be doing. We are going to go to this desert and back, okay? Hopefully it isn't too large. Oh no, cacti! Hopefully nothing is broken of ours. We have our special things today. Shouldn't be too easily harmed. See? If you come here, there shall be a desert temple. All we are doing today is a simple journey back, aka making a tour, just so you can see what this is. Two big cacti. Jump over the mallet. This place is benchmarked. Me and my buddy have benchmarked this place right here. This familiar desert temple, aka as the oasis. This is my buddy's parrot. It wandered off. We never thought we'd find it again. These are the camels. These houses are very great, but the best house by far is this lookout. See? We see lots of things from here. So you can see in the distance there's another desert, but we ain't got time for that. It's turning dark. We should get back home. See the railway in the distance? Go, go, go! That was lots of points. We get past. Get on me, parrot. I'll bring you home, buddy. Sorry, parrot. Let's do this. I want to lose my buddy's parrot. It's getting so dark and late out here. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Take shelter. That's what we do. Bye-bye, cave. See the base? That's the base. want to make sure I can bring my buddy's parrot home safe. As the moon rises, Timothy makes my home yearning to see that one light. But fortunately, he has a resting point. A nearby desert. A camel! His camel! His trusty camel. Camille the camel would never abandon Timothy. Woohoo! Get off for the night. Let's sleep and get back home. Good morning, everyone. Let us continue our journey. Camille, she will take us to the outskirts of the village where we will leave her behind. Bye-bye, Camelina. It's us two. We're nearly home. We're nearly home. We're so close. We're at the desert mountain. Oh, shoot. Where'd Parrot go? My buddy's Parrot go? Finally at the benchmarking river. No, Parrot! The benchmarking river! We're just about to make it. See? No! God, please. We're almost home. Oh yes, it's finally the final bench. We're done. We're done. We're really done. Let me bring Parrot back. And let us end this recording with another scenic trip ahead. This will be legendary.